Hey friends, Dave here at Transfer Express, and today we are talking about screen printing with just a heat press. Well, that's right, we're going to be covering the absolute easiest way to put plastisol ink on a t-shirt or a hoodie or a tank top or anything. And this is all without the mess of inks, emulsions, screens, squeegees, or those huge machines that are going to take up your whole garage. Now the best part of it all is we are going to have a t-shirt that looks, feels, washes, and wears just like those screen printed graphic tees that you already love. So are you ready to learn how you could do it yourself? Let's get to printing. If you are new to Transfer Express, we are the world's largest supplier of custom screen printed and digital heat transfers, heat presses, free customizable designs, wholesale apparel, and expert advice to help grow your t-shirt business. If you haven't already, subscribe. We're kicking out new videos like this one every single week. So before we get started, let's go on a little story time right here. So back around 2009, I learned how to screen print t-shirts on my kitchen table. I spent a good week dialing in emulsion exposure without it washing out, and also printing different stencils on film. Then once I had it all figured out, I had to swap out a squeegee for a better suited one for apparel printing and the screen mesh that I was using. Then of course came the mess of inks and cleanup, and I still didn't even have a printed t-shirt that I could sell. So frustrating to say the least. Well, I eventually got the hang of it, but I knew there had to be an easier way. Well, luckily, if you're watching this, there's a much better way, and that's using screen printed plastisol transfers, just like these goof-proof transfers that we have right here that I got from transferexpress.com. Now, screen printed transfers are just that. They are screen printed with the same plastisol inks that I was using all those years ago to try to print a t-shirt. Except here at Transfer Express, we take all of the hassle of those squeegees, inks, emulsion, and cleanup so that you don't have to. Now that means that all you have to do is press, peel the carrier away, and profit. Now seriously, it really is that simple. No learning curve or learning those different squeegee angles, pressure, or even registering the colors to each other. There's no bulky press setups or even cutters or printers or anything you need to have at home or in your shop. You just need a heat press like this one right here that I got behind me. Now these transfers are produced with the same plastisol screen printing inks that all of the huge commercial print shops use, with just a little mix of some secret ingredients to make the inks opaque on any color fabric and print easily on any tee made out of cotton, polyester, or cotton poly blends. Now at Transfer Express, all of the screen printed transfers are sold by the sheet, allowing for what we call gang sheeting. And gang sheets are essentially the grouping of multiple artworks all onto one page to reduce the print cost per image and maximize your profit potential. You're paying for the sheet, so take advantage of all the space on there to get the most out of your prints. Now the best part of all, with an easy to use online designer, you don't have to be an artist to create some cool t-shirts. Of course, if you are a graphic design pro, you can easily upload, resize, recolor, and arrange your artwork here on these gang sheets too. The screen print transfers ship as quick as the next business day, and when those transfers arrive, all it takes is a little quick cut to get your images out of your sheet, and you're ready to go. But enough talking about these, let me show you how quick and easy these print too. Back here at our Hottronic 16x20 auto open clamshell press, we've got our press dialed into 365 degrees and just a 4-second press. And we also have the tag-along HP Platen installed here on our press, which is exclusive to the Hottronics brand of heat presses with their quick change platen system. Now this is going to allow us to print the inside tag of our shirt as well as printing the front graphic at the same time in just 4 seconds, like I mentioned earlier. So it's not just easy, but it's super quick too. So first up, let's load the shirt on the lower platen and pre-press it here for just a few seconds. What this is going to do is remove the moisture from the garment. If steam is fighting up while we're trying to push the inks down, well, we're going to have a bad time. Now once we're set, we're ready for our transfers. Now we're going to align our transfers here and we'll close our press. And just 4 seconds later here, we'll peel the carrier away from the transfers while they are still hot, and there you have it. Just like that, a screen printed t-shirt. There's no camera tricks, no movie magic. We have ourselves an awesome screen printed t-shirt along with an inside tag. And yeah, that really just took 4 seconds for us to press this on here. You can learn more and request your own free sample pack at the link right here, and we'll put that down in the description below. But if you've been wanting to print your own t-shirts and you've been put off by that steep learning curve, well, there's really no reason to wait anymore. Of course, our YouTube channel here is filled with tons of helpful t-shirt business tips, tricks, and application instructions to help your small business thrive. Be sure you subscribe to stay up to date with all of the helpful videos that we're dropping every single week. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing.